Stop the clock. Because the machine that has quietly redefined the desktop computer is about to explode with power. We're not talking about a subtle chip refresh for Apple's little powerhouse. We are diving into the most exciting, most disruptive rumors surrounding the next generation, the Apple M5 Mac Mini. Forget the Mac Pro. Forget even the Mac Studio. The whispers, the leaked internal code names, and the analysis of Apple's M5 chip architecture all point to a compact desktop that is poised to embarrass much larger, more expensive machines. For the next 30 minutes, we are exposing every major leak and every speculative feature that will make the M5 Mac Mini the ultimate small form factor computer. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why you need to hold off on any desktop purchase. Let's unravel the secrets. The heart of this little beast is the rumored M5 chip, built on the next evolution of 3nm, possibly even a 2nm process. This isn't just a clock speed bump. The leaks from the M5's debut in other Macs hint at a massive focus on AI performance. We are talking about a neural engine with a compute capacity that could be up to 4 times faster than the M4. Why does that matter to you? It means Apple Intelligence runs locally, instantly, and silently. Things like advanced image editing, real-time video transcription, complex coding tasks, and large language models running directly on your desktop will happen in the blink of an eye. The M5 Mac Mini will be the quiet, compact command center for the next generation of AI-powered computing, and that alone justifies the upgrade. For years, people have asked, can the Mac Mini game? With the M5, the answer is an emphatic yes. The M5's rumored GPU architecture is where the true competitive advantage lies. We're hearing about a significant increase in GPU cores and, crucially, next-generation hardware-accelerated ray tracing that is more efficient than ever before. This doesn't just make Mac-native games look better, it makes complex 3D rendering and professional video editing workflows fly. Imagine a tiny box that can handle 8K video editing and complex Metal API-based rendering with the speed and silence that professional creators demand. The M5 Pro Mac Mini, with its expected GPU core count, will be a compact workstation, making the need for bulky, loud PCs obsolete for most creative professionals. The Mac Mini has always been a marvel of compact engineering, and while major external redesigns aren't expected yet, the internal connectivity is getting a massive overhaul. The most credible leaks point to the inclusion of Thunderbolt 5 ports, but potentially only on the M5 Pro variant. This is a huge deal, offering up to 80 gigabits per second of bidirectional bandwidth, which is essential for high-end external displays, massive SSD arrays, and complex professional setups. Coupled with rumored support for Wi-Fi 7, which offers a massive boost in wireless throughput and ultra-low latency, the M5 Mac Mini is designed to handle the massive data pipelines of tomorrow. It's a box of future-proof connectivity. Apple has consistently pushed the limits of unified memory, and the M5 Mac Mini is rumored to continue this trend. While the base M5 model might start at the typical 8 GB or 16 GB, the leaks suggest a higher baseline for the M5 Pro configuration, potentially starting at 32 GB of unified memory to better handle the intensive AI and Pro video workloads. On the storage front, we anticipate faster base SSD speeds and the ability to configure the top-end M5 Pro model with internal storage